Welcome to Integrify. This video will walk you through the basics of using Integrify. What is Integrify? Integrify is a tool that will help you manage processes and tasks in your company. While each department in your company may use Integrify to manage different processes, the basic tools you will use are the same. You can make requests, track request status, and manage any tasks you've been assigned. Depending on your role in the process, you may have the ability to do more, but we'll focus on these areas in this video. Let's start with making requests. To make a request, you will first need to navigate to the appropriate type of request you'd like to make. There are three primary ways to navigate to a new request: browsing for a request, searching for a request, using a dashboard link. The most common way to start a new request is to click on the Start a Request option in the left navigation. Once you start a request, you'll see a list of categories. Expand the category you want by clicking the greater than arrow to the left of each category to see the different types of requests you can make. Alternatively, you can use the search bar at the top of the list to simply search for the type of request you'd like to make. When you find the request you're looking for, click on the play button next to the name of the request. This will begin the request process. Depending on how your administrator has set up the request process, you will be asked to complete one or more forms to make your request. Another way to find and launch a request is from the dashboard. If your administrator has set up a dashboard for you to use, you'll see it when you log on to Integrify. This dashboard may contain links or buttons to launch processes rather than browsing to them. Once you complete the desired request forms, you'll be taken to a request detail screen that shows information about your request, including a summary of the request, any open tasks, the forms you've completed, and a complete history of all actions taken to fulfill your request so far. If enabled by your administrator, you may also click on the Flow view to see what the entire request process looks like and where you are in it. You'll be able to review this information anytime by visiting View My Requests in the left navigation panel under Actions. If your administrator has allowed it, you can cancel the request at any time. If it's enabled, you'll see Cancel Request at the top of the request detail screen. If you'd like to submit a copy of an existing request and your administrator has enabled it, you can use Copy Request on the request detail screen. Once you provide a new name for the request, to keep it separate from the original request, you will be taken to the request form again with all the same information you filled in before. This information can be edited prior to submission if needed. Now let's take a look at tasks. Tasks are assigned to you as part of a process. These tasks can be part of a request that you've made or part of another process that you may have a role in. To see your tasks, use the left navigation and click on View My Tasks under Actions. Here you will see all the tasks that have been assigned to you. To open a task, click on the icon on the left side of the task. You can then see what action you're required to take. This could be providing additional information, completing a form, providing an approval. If you will be out of the office or unable to complete your tasks, you can delegate your tasks to another person. To do so, go to My Account in the top right area of the navigation and click on Delegate My Tasks. Select the user, the person that you'd like to delegate your tasks to, and then select the time period for which you'd like to delegate your tasks. If you only want to delegate this person for a specific process, you can select the process. Otherwise, the delegation will apply to all the processes in which you are involved.